All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a picture from your smartphone to your Google Business profile. So you want to download the app Google Maps. That's where you're going to manage your Google Business profile. So once you got it downloaded, you're going to click on it and you're going to open it up. And then at the very top, you'll see a search here. And then to the right, you'll see a microphone. And then to the right of that, you'll see a circle. That's either going to have your logo, your picture, or maybe your initial in that circle. You're going to click in that circle, and it's going to open it up. At the very top, you'll see what Google account that you're logged into. So in this particular one, I logged into the support email. So that's the Google Business profile. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're logged into the email that you set up your Google Business profile with. From there, you're going to scroll down and you'll see below manage your Google account. And below that is turn on incognito mode, your places, your profile, and then your business profiles. You want to click on your business profiles, which is this selection right here. That's going to open up your profile, and you kind of see down through here, but you get more reviews, add exterior photos, this type of stuff. And at the very top, you could see it says your business name, and below that you'll see business profile. So it's right below your business name and above the circles that say edit profile. So basically this selection right there, see business profile that I highlighted. Okay, that's going to open it up. From there, you're going to scroll down, and right here at the very top, you'll see these little tabs. See how I'm going back and forth? And you'll see photos right here. So right here, you'll see photos, and then you're going to click on add photos, which is right below these three little carousels. And over to the left, it says all. To the right, it says add photos, just above the photos. So I'm going to click on add all or add photos. And from there, you're going to click on add photos. And then at the bottom, once it uploads, you'll click on publish.